MashaAllah, we're getting ready. We're packing. Isn't that right, Hader?
Yes, it's right. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, we're packing now. This is our flag that we're going to hopefully get a stick for, inshallah. And you got the towel. We've got so many packets of croissants. We've got some shalwar kameezes, socks. We've got his slippers, we've got some plasters, we've got sunglasses, and he's got his spray when it gets really hot, and other stuff. And this is my suitcase. A few snacks, my shalwar kameez and clothes. I had to fill this up actually, get these all filled up. And then I've got my clothes. Always take some wipes. Always take wipes.